Hey guys, we're getting ready to go to Magic Reservoir. We're gonna go ice fishing for some perch and trout with my dad here. Yep. So I'm gonna see you when you get there.
There, Wyatt.
Got me about the same size of my perch fish I've ever caught through the ice. And that hole, pretty big one too. Hell yeah! That's how it's done.
I just pulled this trout. First trout of the day. We got like 10 perch, and this is the first trout of the day. It's pretty nice. I had no fishing rod either. You feel him? Oh yeah, he's there. Is he good enough?
That's how it's done, boys.
It's pretty good.
We're gonna send this hog. This guy is huge.
Really?
Yeah. Woo!
Woo! Keeper.
I think this is my last fish for the day.
Monster.
Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 fish. Come on, Dad. Thought that was your last fish.
Just had a bite. Nice fish, bud.
16-inch trout and 19 perch in here. The perch just hit the frying pan. We're gonna have some potatoes with it. Looks like it's gonna be pretty good. These guys think so too. Okay guys, this is it all on the plate. Got quite a bit of fillets in there. Guess we're gonna chow down, and that's the end of the video. Okay, we just got done eating, and we forgot to show you how to cook it and everything. So, in the next video, which is gonna be like this weekend, we're gonna go ice fishing back up in Magic. We're gonna show you how we filleted it and what all we did to cook it. So make sure you watch that video if you want to see how my dad cooked it. And yeah, subscribe.